Write a short note on appropriate government under the Maternity Benefit Act 1961. The term appropriate government is defined under Section 3A of the Maternity Benefit Act 1961. The appropriate government refers to the government authority responsible for implementing and administering the provisions of the Act in different establishments. According to Section 3A of the Maternity Benefit Act 1961, in relation to a mine or an establishment where persons are employed for the exhibition of equestrian, acrobatic, or other performances, the central government is the appropriate government. In relation to all other establishments, the state government is the appropriate government. Further, according to Section 2M of Maternity Benefit Act 1961, in relation to a union territory, the term state government means the administrator of the union territory. Conclusion. Thus, the appropriate government under the Maternity Benefit Act 1961 means the central government for mines and certain special establishments and the state government for other establishments.